Okay, we've done a short on the unboxing, but we're going to go ahead and do this longer video. We're going to be unboxing it and taking it out and getting it cranked up and seeing how it works. So we'll be doing this review on this MrHeater Contractor Series 30 to 60,000 BTU portable propane forced air heater. Okay, getting it out of the box, you've got the heater itself, you've got the hose and regulator, you've got the handle and the instructions and the screws to attach the handle. And so we'll put that handle on, get it hooked up and see what it does. Okay, we're about to fire this thing up and see how it does. This is a 7/8 and it's reverse thread. You've got to turn it counterclockwise to thread it in. This is a 3/4. It is a regular thread. Make sure both of them are tight and not leaking. And now it says to turn this valve on slowly. So we'll turn it on and then we will depress it. It should ignite. Well, we've got to plug it into a power source, and it will ignite and hold that down for 30 seconds until it catches up, and then we should be in operation. Now that All Pro on the left is just a single 40,000 BTU unit, and this one, this new MrHeater, is a 30 to 60,000, and we've got it set up on high, which is 60,000s, or 60,000 BTUs. Turn it down to low. Now I turned it down to low. Does it look any different? I don't know that I can see any difference with it down to low. I think I can see a difference with it from low to high. There's a lot of heat coming out. Well, I said it says it'll run up to 14 hours, and I'm assuming that is on low. Like I said, this unit comes with the hose and the regulator. We'll let them run a little bit and then wrap this one up. Now in the meantime, we went and picked up Frank a 4-volt 454 yesterday. He's decided to go ahead and go with the big block. So we've got the 4-volt 454, the crank, heads, and everything, and they'll be going in the El Camino. These tanks ought to have a fuel gauge on them, shouldn't they? Okay, we'll check back in a minute and then be a wrap. Okay, we'll be wrapping this up now. I can tell a difference. Let's see if y'all can with the video. I don't know if you can or not, from low to high. I think you'll be able to tell a difference. Okay, we're going to go ahead and wrap this one up. We're going to let these run and see how they come out. Well, what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and let it run a little bit longer. Then we're going to recheck these fittings, make sure they're tight and not leaking. There again, this is a 3/4 regular thread, 7/8 reverse thread. Now I don't know, but I have heard, and I have bought a filter for my little MrHeater, that you need a filter for these things because propane will leach rubber out of the line and clog up the burner. I don't know if that's true or not, but I have bought a filter for my other one. Now we're not going to do it right now. We're going to let it run a little bit, but when you get ready to turn it off, go ahead and make sure you turn this valve off. And it said let it continue to run until all the gas has been used up out of the line. So be sure to turn the tank off before turning the unit on. That should wrap it up. Okay, December 12th, 2024, we're going to be doing a unboxing and review of this MrHeater Contractor Series 30 to 60,000 BTU propane heater. We will be getting it. Heats up to 1,500 square foot. That's, I'm sure, with 8-foot ceiling. Up to 14 hours, that would probably be on the 30,000 BTU. 20-pound, at least a 20-pound minimum tank, variable rate. Okay, that's just repeating the other stuff in Spanish. So we will be unboxing, taking it out and getting it cranked up here shortly. So we'll be looking for the longer video.